we have a major development in the pharma sector that could shake up the global market. Former U.S. President Donald Trump is set to introduce a 25% tariff on pharmaceutical imports starting April 2nd, 2025. This move could have significant consequences for Indian pharmaceutical companies that rely on the U.S. market for a large chunk of their revenue. Let's break it all down. What's happening? Trump has been pushing for higher tariffs on various industries, and now he's targeting pharma imports to boost domestic production. This means that any pharmaceutical products exported to the U.S. will face a 25% duty, increasing costs for companies and potentially leading to higher drug prices in the U.S. Why does this matter for India? India is one of the biggest suppliers of generic medicines to the U.S. Several Indian pharma companies heavily depend on U.S. revenue, and these new tariffs could severely impact their earnings. Here's a breakdown of how much some key Indian companies generate from the U.S. market. Natco Pharma, 70% of revenue from the U.S. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, 33%. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, 49%. Lupin, 38%. Zydus Life Sciences, 45%. Biocon, 44%. Markson's Pharma, 51%. If these tariffs are implemented, their profit margins may take a hit, forcing them to either absorb the cost or pass it on to consumers. Potential impact on the market. Stock prices. Pharma stocks could see volatility as investors react to the news. Companies with higher U.S. exposure may face selling pressure, cost increase. U.S. buyers may need to pay more for Indian generic drugs. Shifts in strategy. Indian firms may explore other global markets or set up manufacturing units in the U.S. to bypass tariffs. Regulatory concerns. Increased scrutiny on compliance and approvals for Indian drug makers could add further challenges. What's next? Indian pharma companies and trade bodies are expected to lobby for exemptions or trade negotiations to minimize the impact. Some companies may diversify their market strategy to offset potential losses. Final thoughts. This is a developing story, and the markets will closely watch how the U.S. government enforces these tariffs. If you're an investor in pharma stocks, keep an eye on updates, earnings reports, and company strategies in response to these changes. What do you think? Will this move hurt the Indian pharma sector, or will companies find a way around it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on stocks and the economy.